You open your eyes. White snow all around. Silent winter forest. No sounds. No tracks. You are alone. No gear. No food. No warmth. The cold penetrates to the bones. Your fingers are numb. Your breath turns to steam. What to do first? Scream? Run? Panic? No, that kills your chances. The first thing you need to do is stop. Breathe. Slowly and deeply. Look around. Every second now is like gold. Your first goal is not to find help and not to gather food. Your first goal is not to freeze. Because in such a forest, winter does not forgive mistakes. Where to hide from the cold if there is only snow and trees around? The cold presses from all sides. But panic is the enemy. Look around. Do you see snow-covered fir trees? Excellent. It is almost always dry under them. The snow there is soft and loose. It is easy to clear. Crawl under the very crown. Collect spruce branches, dry branches, pine needles. Make a hollow in the snow, as if you are digging a nest. Deeper but means warmer. Now the shelter. Walls of snow. They will retain the heat of your body. On top, spruce branches, like a roof. From the inside, pine needles or grass if you can find it. This is a litter so that you do not freeze from the ground. Snow is not only cold. Snow is insulation. If used correctly, it can save your life. Is it possible to make a fire without matches? In the cold, fire is life. It warms. It dries. It gives strength. But you have neither matches nor a lighter. What to do? Look around. Maybe you'll find a flintstone, the kind that produces a spark when struck. Do you have a knife? Steel against stone. That's a chance for a spark. Now you need tinder, dry moss, birch bark, reed fluff, anything that easily catches fire from the slightest spark. Separate the bark into fibers. Grind the moss. Make a nest out of dry materials. No stone? Then the sun is your last ally. Do you have glasses? A magnifying glass focuses the light and can set the tinder on fire. Even ordinary water in cellophane or a piece of ice polished by hand can work as a lens. There's always a chance. You just need a chance. Remember, the first smoke does not mean victory. Blow slowly. Blow carefully. And when the first fire flares up, guard it like life. What to drink if everything is frozen? Finding water in winter is a quest. Everything around is white. Everything around is frozen. But you know, a person cannot last long without water. Snow is everywhere. Easy. Just take it and eat it? No way. Snow is cold. It draws heat from the inside. Every piece of snow is a minus in your body temperature. And hypothermia is a slow death. Snow can only be eaten melted, ideally by the fire. Put a container, even hollowed out bark or an empty tin can. Melt the snow slowly. Drink warm water. It warms not only the body, but also the cigarette. No fire? Then rub the snow in your palms. Yeah, slowly. Yes. Disgusting. But this way, you'll get at least a little moisture without losing too much heat. Remember, there's snow all around, but the water inside you is more important. And never forget, water should warm you, not kill you. How do you keep your body warm without clothes and a sleeping bag? You're in the forest. The frost bites into your skin. No down jacket, no sleeping bag, just you and the cold. What should you do to stay warm? Look for dry leaves. They're not just trash on the ground, they're your armor. Stuff them under your clothes, between the layers. They'll create a layer of air, and air is the best insulator. The earth is a cunning enemy. Lying down directly on the snow or ground means losing heat in minutes. Make a bed of branches, spruce branches, bark. Even a few centimeters from the ground can save your life. If you want to warm up, move. But be careful. Don't sweat. Sweat is a trap. Moisture on the body draws out heat and accelerates hypothermia. Breathe correctly. Just inhale? No. Cover your mouth with a scarf, sleeve, Warm the air you breathe in. Each breath should not take away heat, but leave it inside. You don't have a sleeping bag, but you have a brain, and it knows. Heat is retained not by things, but by actions. What is there in the winter forest? You are hungry. Your stomach is growling. Your head is spinning. But winter is not the time to hunt for treats. Moss? It gives almost nothing. It is not digested. It is just a burden on the stomach. And the berries? Watch your step. Sometimes they remain frozen. But the danger is great. Many of them are poisonous, especially in cold weather. If you do not know for sure, do not risk it. Birch is a reliable ally. Remove the top layer of bark. Under it is a soft white layer. This is cambium. You can eat it. Chew for a long time. The taste is almost none. But these are calories. This is a chance. If you find frozen cones with seeds, this is a gift. They are rare, but they contain fats. And fats are fuel for the body. But remember the main thing. Do not waste energy looking for food if you are not sure of success. Water and warmth are a priority. Energy is spent not on hunger, but on movement. Save it. This is survival. How to save your strength if you are alone and there is no help. You are in the silence of the winter forest. Not a soul around. No hope for help. What to do? How not to give up? Set small goals for yourself. Don't think about the day ahead. Think about the hour. The first goal is to survive until dawn. This means surviving the night, finding warmth, and protection. The second is to find shelter, a place where the wind won't blow you away, where you can warm up and rest. The third is to make a fire. Fire is not only warmth, it is hope and a signal of salvation. Each completed task is a step towards salvation, a step towards life. Don't give up. Even if there is only ice and silence around, you are stronger than you think. Survival is not only about the body, it is about the spirit. And as long as the spirit lives in you, you have a chance. The winter forest is silent and indifferent, but you have an instinct, mind, and will. You can survive even without equipment because you know what to do.